Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, today I want to talk with you guys a little bit about pool excavation, digging the hole for a swimming pool. And one of the things that can come up that may add additional time to your pool installation project and could add to your pool budget as well. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about what happens if we hit rock when digging the hole for your pool. So let's dive in. Okay, so what does happen if you hit rock when you're digging the hole for your fiberglass pool? Well, if it's small rocks that can easily be taken out with the existing equipment already on site, it may not cause much of an issue. However, if you reach solid rock or ledges of rock, large rocks that need to be taken out, most likely we're going to have to bring in additional equipment to dig those rocks out or to break them apart and dig them out. And when we do hit this kind of rock, you usually are looking at additional time for the installation process, because obviously all of that rock is going to have to be taken out prior to the one-piece fiberglass shell being set in place. And I'm sure you're wondering, what's this going to do to my budget? What's it going to cost me? Well, it's kind of hard to tell. When we start planning a pool project in a yard, we never really do know if or how much rock we're going to hit in that yard. We can literally dig in one yard and find no rock at all, and then dig in the very yard next door and find a ton of rock. So we never really know what we're getting into until we start the project. So it's always a good thing to have a little extra in your budget if you're in an area that is prone to having rock. And typically, you're looking at around a couple $100 per hour that additional equipment needs to be out on the job site breaking up the rock. And then also you want to take into consideration that when they do break up all of that rock, they're obviously going to have to haul it off too. So the process of getting all of those rock pieces that have been broken up, that have been taken out of what is now the hole for the swimming pool, that all has to be hauled off. So that does take a little bit additional time, as well as additional trucks coming in to haul the rock off. So while I don't want the possibility of rock in your yard to scare you away from installing a swimming pool, it is something that you do want to take into consideration. Like I said, if you're in an area that's prone to having rock, just make sure you've budgeted a little bit extra time and that you've built in a little extra in the budget itself to allow for the additional rock dig if it's necessary. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out. I'm always here to help. 210-834-7054. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.